Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to fold a pocket square. In this video, I'll be going over the rose fold. It's actually a super simple fold. It looks gorgeous when it's done, and it has sort of a puffy design that makes it look amazing. Now, I'm doing this in my car, so please excuse the wavy seat, but I will go over the instructions thoroughly, so you will learn how to do it in this video. All right, so excuse the setting, but let's get right into the video. As you can see, I'm starting off with my pocket square just fully laid out. Now you can actually start with it in the square position or sort of the diamond position, as long as you know where the center point is. So you can see right here, I actually have marked the center because I folded this pocket square many times for many different tutorials. What you want to do is you want to take all four corners and just fold them into the center. So this is one corner right here, the second corner, bringing it into the center, the third corner, just like that, and then also the fourth corner. So let's bring the fourth corner into the center. So once you have all four corners brought into the center, it's going to look something like that. Okay, so I have all four corners into the center. You can see I have the puffs sort of along the outside. Now I want to pinch and grab these four corners plus the center. So I'm going to pinch and grab those four corners plus the center and lift it up just like that. So as you can see right here, we sort of have the pocket square hanging like this with these puffs on the side, okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our hand and we're going to just bunch it up like that. Okay, so I've just, once again, you're going to keep this hand holding the 4 points and the middle, and then just bunch it up like that. Okay, now I'm going to just turn it around. I'm switching hands, turning it around. What you're left with is this puff at the top. Now to turn this puff into a rose, you have to think about the petals of the rose. How do the petals look on a rose? Well, they're all twisted around. So these are the petals. You can already see the beginning of the twist. So look at the puff. You can see that it sort of twists like this, started twisting like that. So you want to follow that twist. Grab it, give it a little twist like that. And check this out. When you put this into your pocket, let's switch hands. When you put this into your pocket, it's going to look like a nice, beautiful rose. You can see the rose petals are already twisting. So when you put it into your pocket, you just want to make sure that it's all nice and twisted, that it ends up continuing to twist just like that. And it's going to look like a nice, beautiful rose with the petals that are all twisted when it's tucked in nicely to your pocket. And at the bottom, you can just bunch this up, or you can probably fit it in just like that. And that's basically it. You can see this is what it's going to look like, the beautiful rose petals in there, just like that. Now you can sort of see the rose when it's in the pocket nicely. It's going to look gorgeous. It's going to look absolutely gorgeous. And that's basically it. In this video, I've shown you how to do the rose fold with the pocket square. Very simple tutorial, thorough instructions, a setting that wasn't the best for this tutorial, but you know what? I got the point across, and when you make this little rose fold with your pocket square, it's going to look absolutely amazing. There, it looks just incredible. I hope that you've enjoyed this video tutorial. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.